I'm here at El Baron Palace. Today I am going to share with you all the information about El Baron Palace. As you see, this is the main entrance for Baron Palace. Around the palace, a lot of different statues, as you can see here. So today we will have a lot of different information, how you come to this location, how much for ticket prices, time in and time out for Baron Palace, plus all information about Baron Palace. So stay with me. Mr. Baron Imran, he was engineering and businessman. He came to Egypt from India to Cairo to establish the tram in Egypt. In 1911 was opened this palace. How you can come to this place? This place is located in Heliopolis, El Aruba Street, and you can come by normal transportation, bus or normal car, or even taxi, or even you can come by metro. Entry and exit time daily opening from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Ticket prices 30 Egyptian pound for Egyptian people for first and the second floor, and for the rooftop you will pay another 30 Egyptian pound. This is the prices for Egyptian and for foreigner. As you can see, Baron Palace from outside, which is really amazing design. This is design, it is Hindu and Buddha design, which is really amazing design in Egypt. This is the main entrance. The main entrance consists from 3 halls. This is the main hall. As you can see, this is showing all information about this palace. As you can see, when you look up, there is Buddha statues everywhere, designed by Hindu and Buddha. It is amazing, very, very nice. And you can see here all the information. It is written by Arabic and by English about the palace. In the second hall, total different design. So this is designed by European design. If you can see here, it is like European style. Even from the roof, from the wood, from the old design, it is here. It is European style. Total difference from the main hall. As you can see here, there is a lot of information by Arabic and even by English. Plus here there is a screen with a lot of information about Baron Palace. As you can see, it is a really amazing design. This is the third hall. When you enter from the main entrance, you will find the third main hall. From up here, there is a lot of Buddha statues, and which it is a lot really, which it is amazing. So let's go. When you enter to the third hall, which is the main hall for the food, serving food for the customer. As you can see here, you will find a lot of different information by Arabic and English about Baron Palace, and plus also a lot of different information here. with including with the photos. There is a lot of European style, not like the main hall. All the design by European style. And everywhere there is a lot of different information about Baron and a lot of information about Baron Palace. So you needed to go to the main kitchen, and when you enter here, from this side you can go for the second floor. When you enter to the second floor, so you will find 4 rooms. This is the first room, including a lot of information about Baron Palace. As you can see, it is really very nice. As you can see here, and a lot of information by Arabic and English.
بالنسبة لسكان مصر الجديدة، كان الاحترام جزءاً هاما جداً من حياتهم اليومية، ولو فيه ذكريات كبيرة، لذا نقل المسؤولون عربة من عربة الفرنسية.
Let's go for the second room.
ولتسهيل زيارته، وهي تكون في مبنى الصرف كانت رئيسية لتصل.
As you can see here, they was put here the wood to make it warm, and also here a lot also of photos and information about this period. And as you can see, it is total European style. And from here, this is like a bathroom. This is like a bathroom here. This is for shower area. And from here, it is really amazing style. And we'll go to for another room. Which is very big room. And last room, total European style. As you can see, I am in the rooftop of the Baron Palace. Very, very nice. It is panorama view, as you can see. You see? Amazing, amazing view. This is the main garden, the Baron Palace. Very nice.